Take a ride in the 2019 Q5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, wireless charging station, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, refrigerated storage,